become a leader, you have to face resistance. No one has ever achieved anything if they haven't faced failures, if they haven't had disappointments, if they haven't had days when they don't want to wake up, get out of bed. No one has ever achieved anything. To achieve anything in life, you have to be prepared to take on the odds, face disappointment. But all of you do not realize that all of us, the Almighty has given tremendous strength which lies within us. You only discover that strength when you put yourself up against resistance. If you don't face resistance, that strength lies dormant within you. The moment you take on challenges, you will then start discovering the enormous strength you have in you. So when you go on the trodden path, you will never discover the strength. So as a leader, when you go back, accept that you are going to find a society that is totally shattered. People are used to taking shortcuts. People, I'm afraid, have the moral standards have fallen down. The great Maulana Rumi, once he was asked, how does a nation die? Maulana Rumi said, the moment a nation ceases to differentiate between right and wrong, it dies. Lastly, please remember one thing. You only lose when you give up. Remember this. Remember this over and over again. You only lose when you give up. If you do not give up, you will win from the most incredible position. The fight is in the mind. It's not physical, it's in the mind. As long as the mind refuses to accept defeat, each setback will give you an opportunity to analyze yourself. Where did I go wrong? It's an opportunity. Remember, crisis is an opportunity to evaluate yourself. Where did I go wrong? Correct that, pick yourself up, you again move on, and you will find that you will get stronger. Each time you pick yourself up, you come back stronger. This is what the human being is. The Almighty made us Ashraful Makhlukat. We are His greatest creation. But only, as Iqbal said, to become the Shaheen, you have to break the chains. This chain of, the moment you say it's impossible, it's impossible. And whatever you can dream, remember this, whatever you can dream, you can achieve. If you can visualize something, you can achieve it.